Top 12 vitamin C snacks to boost your immunity. Number 1. Kiwi. Tiny fruit, huge vitamin C power. Number 2. Strawberries. Sweet, juicy, and packed with antioxidants. Number 3. Oranges. A classic immunity booster everyone loves. Number 4. Red bell peppers. Yes, they have even more vitamin C than oranges. Number 5. Pineapple. Tangy, tropical, and refreshing. Number 6. Mango. Delicious and rich in both flavor and nutrients. Number 7. Blueberries. Small berries with big health benefits. Number 8. Papaya. Loaded with vitamin C and digestive enzymes. Number 9. Lemons. Perfect for detox and daily vitamin C boosts. Number 10. Broccoli. Crunchy, green, and surprisingly high in vitamin C. Number 11. Tomatoes. Great for your skin, heart, and immunity. Number 12. Watermelon. Refreshing, hydrating, and vitamin C rich. Snack smart, stay strong. Follow for more healthy food tips.